There are many products available to choose best foldable mattress for every night's sleep. Each with different characteristics, benefits and prices. I have done a lot of deep research, read so many reviews, and compiled a list of the best foldable mattress for every night's sleep from reputable brands to help you make a perfect decision. After so much research, I have found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Milliard Tri-Folding Mattress with Washable Cover. Looking for a versatile sleeping solution that combines comfort and convenience? The Milliard Tri-Folding Mattress might just be your perfect match. This innovative mattress offers exceptional comfort with its plush, breathable 4-inch foam design that maintains its shape over time. Whether you're living in a compact apartment, need a guest bed, or want a portable sleeping option, this mattress delivers. Pros include its easy fold and store functionality, measuring a compact 38 by 25 by 12 inches when folded, and a machine washable bamboo cover that makes maintenance a breeze. At 75 by 38 inches when open, it provides ample sleeping space. The only potential drawback might be its thickness, which could be less suitable for those preferring ultra-thick mattresses. However, for most users, this mattress strikes an impressive balance between comfort, portability, and practicality. Number 2. Bed Luxury 4-inch Tri-Folding Mattress Twin Size with Storage Bag. Discover the ultimate sleeping solution for travelers, campers, and space-conscious individuals. The Bed Luxury Tri-Folding Mattress is a game-changer in portable comfort. Featuring a thoughtfully designed 3-layer construction, this mattress combines 1.5 inches of soft gel memory foam, 1 inch of breathable charcoal foam, and 1.5 inches of high-density support foam for an exceptional sleep experience. Its innovative design includes a clever zipper system that eliminates uncomfortable gaps, while the premium fiber surface offers breathability and easy maintenance. Certified Certi Pure US and Tex, this mattress provides peace of mind alongside comfort. Pros include its compact folding capability, included storage bag, and versatile use. The only potential downside might be its relatively thin profile. Perfect for guests, travel, or small living spaces, this mattress is a compact comfort champion. Number 3. Cinweek Tri-Folding Mattress. Looking for the ultimate space-saving sleep solution? The Cinweek Tri-Folding Mattress is a game changer for compact living. This versatile mattress transforms effortlessly between a lounge chair and a bed, making it perfect for small spaces, gaming setups, camping, and unexpected guests. Crafted with 4 inches of high-density sponge, it offers impressive body support and comfort. The standout feature is its incredible portability, easily foldable and accompanied by a convenient carrying case. It's your go-to companion for travel, yoga, or mobile living. Cleaning is a breeze with its removable, washable cover, and the smooth zipper design ensures hassle-free maintenance. While it might not replace a permanent bed for everyone, its multifunctional design and compact nature make it an excellent alternative for those seeking flexibility and convenience. Number 4. Foldable Mattress 4-inch Folding Mattress. Discover the ultimate versatile sleeping solution that transforms your comfort anywhere you go. This 4-inch foldable mattress is a game changer for travelers, campers, and space-conscious individuals. Its plush foam offers a perfect balance of softness and support, making it ideal for unexpected guests, camping trips, or impromptu movie nights. The standout features include effortless portability with a convenient carrying case and a unique hook-loop fastener system that allows seamless configuration. Whether you're using it as a guest bed, floor sofa, or camping companion, this mattress adapts to your needs. Pros include its compact design, easy setup, and multifunctional use. The only potential drawback might be the initial odor, which dissipates within a few hours. A must-have for those seeking flexible, comfortable sleeping arrangements. Number 5. Muum Twin Size Tri-Memory Foam Folding Mattress. Introducing the ultimate sleep companion that redefines comfort and versatility. The Muum Tri-Folding Mattress is a game changer for those seeking portable, high-quality sleep solutions. Featuring a luxurious 1.5-inch gel memory foam top layer and 2.5-inch support base, this mattress delivers exceptional body contouring comfort that adapts to your every move. Perfect for travelers, campers, and those with limited space, this mattress transforms effortlessly from a bed to a yoga mat, meditation cushion, or floor sofa. Its non-slip, washable bamboo fiber cover adds practicality to its impressive design. Certi Pure US certified and eco-friendly, it ensures both comfort and peace of mind. The only potential drawback? You might find it too comfortable to fold up. A must-have for anyone seeking flexible, high-quality sleeping options.
That's all from my end. I make and upload helpful videos daily. So, subscribe my channel and hit the bell icon for more informative video like this. If you want to know more about these products or price, then do check out my description. For any kind of problem or information, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products as it will make your life much easier.